How to edit snaps on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily edit your snaps on Snapchat. So first thing, just open up your Snapchat application and just click your snap. So once you select any snap, so basically to edit it you can swipe to change its filter. You can edit in it different ways by simply adding a text from over here just like this. So once you do that, you can also add a toggle like this color option to edit it, and you can also undo it actually. And once you do that, you can also put a sticker icon from over here like this. You can also import a customized stickers. You can also put a music to it based on your choice. So once you click on any of the music from over here, you can basically play it, or if you don't want the music name to be displayed throughout the screen, you can put it all the way there. And you can also use a retouch feature just like this to, you can also erase if you have any toggle over here. And once you do that, you can simply click on done. You can also attach a link from over here by simply pasting the link which you have copied. You can also crop the size of your snaps from over here. So once you do all of that, those are the all kinds of ways you can edit your snaps, and simply click on send to send your friends just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.